Welcome student. We have started alkyl halide in previous classes. We have finished basic ideas about alkyl halide and nomenclature of alkyl halide. Now from today we are going to start preparation of alkyl halide. Okay, so there are various methods to prepare alkyl halide. Now first method, from alcohol, by using alcohol or from alcohol. Okay, alcohol means ROH. Now from this alcohol we have to prepare alkyl halide, means RX. What we have to do? This is alcohol and from this alcohol we want to prepare alkyl halide. What we have to do? Just we have to replace this OH group from alcohol by halogen group. Just replace OH group by halogen atom, then you get alkyl halide. So this is just simple substitution reaction. There is replacement of OH by halogen atom, and to replace this OH group by halogen atom, there are various reagents. We have to use different reagent to replace OH group by halogen atom. Now first method, from alcohol there are sub methods. First, for A, by using HX, hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide means either HCl or HBr or HI. HX, hydrogen halide molecule, we have to prepare alcohol. What we have to see in this method, this alcohol is treated with HX, is reacted with HX molecule, then there is just loss of, just remove water, H2O, you will get RX plus H2O. Okay, so alcohol, in this method, alcohol is reacted with hydrogen halide. It may be hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid or hydroiodic acid. Okay, in general HX. Then it will lose water molecule and give alkyl halide molecule. Alkyl halide. Now under this, if you want to prepare alkyl chloride, particularly alkyl chloride, then we have to use hydrochloric acid. And if you want to prepare alkyl bromide, then HBr. And if you want to prepare alkyl iodide, then HI, hydroiodic acid. Okay, now see first alkyl halide. Now preparation of alkyl halide. Preparation of alkyl chloride. So in this method, what we have to do? In this method, this alcohol is treated with solution containing concentrated hydrochloric acid, solution of anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid. Okay, this alcohol is treated with hydrochloric acid concentrated in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, ZnCl2. Okay, then what happen? Just remove water, RCl plus H2O, that is alkyl chloride. Okay, if you want to prepare alkyl chloride from alcohol, then what we have to do? We have to treat or react this alcohol with reagent containing solution of anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated hydrochloric acid, which is known as Lucas reagent. Okay, that will give us alkyl chloride molecule, alkyl chloride. So this is first method for the first reaction for the preparation of alkyl chloride by using alcohol. Now for example, just take example. Very simple example, ethyl alcohol. is treated with concentrated solution, concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. Anhydrous zinc chloride. Then this ethanol is this ethanol is treated with concentrated hydrochloric acid in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. This combination is known as Lucas reagent. Okay, that will remove water molecule and you will get ethyl chloride. Okay, just then simply replacement of OH group by chloride chlorine atom, ethyl chloride. Okay, very simple. So this is concentrated hydrochloric acid and zinc chloride. This combination is known as Lucas reagent. Okay, so in this way we can prepare ethyl chloride by using alcohol. Okay, now one more example. N-propyl alcohol. N-propyl alcohol. Same reaction, treated with concentrated hydrochloric acid and in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride give, then simply replacement of OH by Cl, you will get N-propyl chloride. N-propyl chloride. Okay, or 1-chloropropane. IUPAC name is 1-chloropropane. Okay, so this is the method. In this method, alkyl chloride compound is prepared by using alcohol. Okay, and remember in this reaction, the reagent used is a solution containing anhydrous zinc chloride in concentrated hydrochloric acid, which is known as Lucas reagent. Okay, right. Next, then now preparation of alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide or and alkyl iodide. Okay, for this what we have to do? Here same reaction, alcohol is treated with HBr. HBr for alkyl bromide and HI for alkyl iodide. Now, what happened? This hydrogen bromide is very unstable. This is not available. Okay, so we have to prepare this hydrobromic acid first. Okay, in the reaction mixture. In the reaction mixture, just reflux is required. Reflux alcohol and this reagent. So, but this hydrobromic acid or HBr is highly unstable. This is not readily available. So, during reaction, first we have to prepare this hydrobromic acid or HBr inside the reaction mixture by the reaction between NaBr and H2SO4. This NaBr and H2SO4 react first and form HBr plus Na2SO4 like this. Okay, so during this reaction, inside this reaction mixture, NaBr for getting HBr, it is not available, but it can be prepared during the reaction inside the reaction mixture, means in situ, by reaction between sodium bromide and H2SO4. During reaction, what happen? This NaBr and H2SO4 react first together. They will react first and they will going to produce HBr, and then that HBr react with alcohol and giving our product RBr and H2O. So in this reaction, this HBr we have not added from outside. We have prepared this HBr inside the reaction mixture. Okay, by performing the reaction between NaBr and H2SO4. So that's why the meaning is that in situ. In situ means it is prepared inside the reaction mixture. We have not taken from outside because HBr is unstable. It is not possible to store this HBr. That's why we have to prepare during the reaction mixture, that is called in situ. Okay, so this is the method to prepare alkyl bromide. Similarly, alkyl iodide ROH plus HI, that is not prepared, that is not available in C2. I think we have to prepare this NaI plus H2SO4, or I think okay, then you will get Ri plus H2O. Okay, so by using this reaction we can prepare alkyl bromide. This is alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. Okay, very simple. So for prepare alkyl chloride, just use Lucas reagent. For preparing alkyl bromide, take HBr, but that HBr is not taken from outside. You have to prepare this HBr inside the reaction mixture by the reaction between NaBr and H2SO4, sodium bromide and sulfuric acid. They will react first, then produce HBr, and then HBr react with ROH alcohol, giving our product alkyl bromide. Similarly, HI is also not available, so we have to prepare this HI. HI means hydroiodic acid, hydrogen iodide. By reaction between NaI and H2SO4, they will react, going to produce HI, and then HI react with ROH, giving alkyl iodide. So this is the method for the preparation of alkyl chloride, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. Okay, see again just one example. 2-propanol. Okay, and from this 2-propanol we want to prepare various alkyl halide. Okay, if you want to prepare alkyl chloride, then you have to take concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Okay, they will react and giving alkyl chloride, that is 2-chloropropane. If you want to prepare alkyl bromide, then we have to take HBr, but that is prepared during the reaction by reaction between NaBr plus H2SO4. Reflux, here also reflux. Okay, you will get alkyl bromide like this. Okay, and if you want to prepare alkyl iodide, alkyl means HI, then HI is prepared by NaI plus H2SO4, same reaction, giving this. Okay, so this is the method. By using alcohol we can prepare alkyl halide. Okay, now second method, another method, second. By using phosphorus halide salt, phosphorus halide salt. Okay, phosphorus halide salt, it is a compound of phosphorus and halogen atom. Okay, so phosphorus and halogen atom, we have two types of compound, that is phosphorus pentahalide and phosphorus trihalide. Okay, so phosphorus pentahalide means for example PCl5, PBr5, Pi5, like this. Phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus pentabromide, pentaiodide, and here PCl3, PBr3, Pi3, like this. But all these compounds are not available, does not exist due to stability. Here in pentahalide only PCl5 is available, it is stable. PCl5 means phosphorus pentachloride is energetically stable and it is a stable compound and it is exist. But PBr5, Pi5 is not available, does not exist. due to stability. Okay, among this PCl3 readily available, but PBr3 and Pi3 are not readily available. They are highly unstable. We have to prepare in situ by the reaction between I think bromine and I think bromine, it is due to instability. We have to prepare this first and then react with alcohol. Let me check. Phosphorus metal and bromine, or phosphorus metal and iodine. Okay, so we will discuss one by one. Now what we have to do in this reaction? Here also this alcohol ROH is reflux with PCl5. If we use PCl5, then what we have to do? This alcohol is reflux with PCl5U. Okay, reflux, it means heat. Then this PCl5U react with alkyl halide, giving plus HCl plus POCl3 side product. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Right. Okay, this is alkyl chloride. What we have to do? This alcohol here also in this method, alcohol is react with PCl5U or reflux with PCl5U. You will get alkyl chloride, HCl and POCl3. Okay. For example, ethanol. Just take very simple example. Ethanol plus PCl5U, phosphorus pentachloride, reflux. Okay, then you will get ethyl chloride. There is just simply replacement of OH by Cl. Okay, plus HCl plus POCl3 side product. So ethyl chloride. Okay, only we have to, what we have to do? Take alcohol. This alcohol is react with PCl5. Reflux means heating. PCl5. Then there is only replacement of OH group by Cl atom. Okay, simple, very simple. Ethyl chloride. Okay, now if we use PCl3, then what? Same reaction with some difference. Alcohol again. Alcohol is treated with PCl3. Then reflux means heat. 3R, then 3RCl ethyl chloride plus H3PO3 side product. Okay, ethyl chloride obtained. If we use PCl5U or PCl3, you will get alkyl chloride, not alkyl bromide iodide. Okay, so PCl3. Now, for example, CH3, CH2, CH2, COH, 1 propanol plus PCl3 reflux, then CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus 3 times. Just balance it. H3PO3. Okay, 1 chloropropanol. There is only replacement of OH by Cl atom. Okay, so this is the method. By using this method, we can prepare alkyl chloride only, not bromide or iodide. Alkyl chloride. If you want to prepare alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide, then what we have to do? If you want to prepare alkyl bromide, then again same alcohol is treated with PBr3, but as we know PBr3 is not available readily due to stability. We have to prepare by reaction between phosphorus and bromine. Phosphorus and bromine react together. First reflux, this phosphorus and bromine will going to produce PBr3, and then after reaction you will get 3 times plus H3PO3. Then rest of the reaction equation is same. Only we have to prepare this PBr3 in situ. In situ, that is not available. We could not store PBr3 because due to stability reason we have to prepare PBr3 inside the reaction mixture by the reaction between phosphorus and bromine. Okay, phosphorus and bromine react PBr3, so 3 times 2 phosphorus metal. Okay, like this is the reaction giving PBr3. Okay, and if you want to prepare iodide, then same alcohol plus Pi3 instead of PBr3, again in situ, that is not available. So for this take phosphorus and iodine, reflux. Okay, then you will get 3Ri plus H3PO3. Okay, so this is the reaction. By using PBr3 or Pi3, we can prepare alkyl bromide as well as alkyl iodide respectively. Okay, and to prepare alkyl chloride, we can use PCl5, which is readily available, and PCl3 also readily available. They are somewhat more stable than PBr3 and Pi3, so we can directly use. But if you want to prepare we want to take PBr3, that is not readily available, even Pi3 also. For this we have to react phosphorus and bromine, phosphorus and iodine first in situ, and they will react with alcohol giving corresponding product. Okay, this is the reaction. Now third method, by using thionyl chloride. This method is only for alkyl chloride, preparation of alkyl chloride by using thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride means SOCl2. SOCl2. Okay. Now, what we are doing? Here also alcohol plus SOCl2 reflux. Simply, very simple reaction. Only alcohol and thionyl chloride. This is thionyl chloride and alcohol. Reflux together. RCl plus SO2 gas plus hydrochloric gas will evolve. Okay. So very important reaction. Alkyl chloride. In this reaction, side product are sulfur dioxide and hydrochloric acid, but both are in gaseous state. In this reaction, both the side product SO2 and hydrochloric acid HCl both are in gaseous state. Therefore, it is very easy to separate them from alkyl chloride, and that's why this reaction giving pure alkyl chloride as a product. No impurity, no side product. Okay, due to formation of side product in gaseous state. Okay, so that's why this reaction is very important. Take example, CH3, CH3, take tertiary butyl bromide, tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol react with SOCl2 thionyl chloride, reflux. Reflux means just hit. Okay, then same, there is only replacement of OH by Cl. SOCl2 plus HCl. Okay, so these are the three methods, and many more is there, but here we have seen three methods for the preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol. Okay, so So in next time we will again continue same topic. Thank you very much.